welcome to DPV. It's been a crazy couple days. We're trying to get all of our rigs ready for the Underpower tour, and man, last night we didn't get back to Cheney until 2 in the morning. We were working on Alex's car down at his place, trying to get the exhaust finished up, and now we are getting the last little punch list done on the Impala. Oh, no. We don't hammer nails into the keyhole. Yeah, no hammering on the car. Okay, I got a job for you though. So Avery was in destruction mode, looks like. Alex is fixing up the indicator light for the line lock, and I'm gonna start pulling these seats out. We're gonna wrap them with these Mexican blankets and get some car seat clips in the back. So for those, I just got some eye bolts that are designed for 5-point harness, but I tested them and the car seat clips actually hook on there. So if they're strong enough for 5-point harness, they're gonna be strong enough for the car seat. So we just gotta figure out how to get them mounted up in there. And then last night on the way home, since I didn't have my hangers yet for the exhaust, we lost a section of pipe.
You need assistance? How hot is it? Not hot. Not hot. Sweet, that is good. What has happened was Josh's sweet custom hangers was baling wire. Comes in every size you need. You get it almost anywhere. Custom fit.
Best way to do it though, which I didn't do the first time, double it up.
Oh yeah, double it up, double the strength. Oh, this is good. Oh, that's a good wrap right there. Ooh, yeah, that's it. This one over here is doubled up though, so I feel like we're good in the doubled up over here. Are we gonna check the other side while we're here? Are we gonna just risk it? So we heard noise number 2 of the trip. We've actually made it pretty far so far, so good. We lost our tailpipe. Our custom hangers did not work, so we are now on the road again. Yeah. How about you go get your car? Just put it in reverse. Yeah. Reverse. I'm so scared. Dude. Why don't you work on flipping around, because I don't want you to run over it though. Okay. Yeah, he ran over him. That's what that noise was. What we heard. Josh ran over the header. Josh ran over the header. Hickory dickory dock. Did you find it?
No. And luckily, Alex with his eagle eyes, he found it this morning when we went back and searching.
Ooh, a little road rash. I'll clean right up. Oh yeah.
Nice work, dude.
I'd like to thank Marshall Barkley for instilling that finder's ability in myself, that I can always find everything that I'm looking for. Thank you.
So I got the hangers and the exhaust clamps, so we can get all that tidied up. Got a little transmission leak. Yeah, so this video is gonna be all over the place. All right, Avery did a great job cleaning up in here. So now she's gonna go ahead and wipe down the headliner. Yeah. Oh, don't get it on the camera.
Okay. Yeah.
Clean. Rear seats out. Little mock-up, if you will. Rear base stripped. Don't cut Uncle's fingers. It's like, okay. Here, let's switch. How about you hold this thing? How about you, yeah, you hold that part and then, yeah. Ooh, yeah, that works really good.
I'll get all the shrimp.
Oh, that would be a really good job for you. For two dudes who've never done this before.
Yeah.
Look pretty good.
All right, we're getting ready to install these eye bolts for this car seat latches. Looks like Alex is drilling over here.
All right, I know the motto is safety third, but when it comes to the kids, it's safety first. So we've added some tie down points for the car seats in the back of the Ghetto glider.
There's a shot. The car seat tie downs from the bottom here.
Then we'll get this bottom seat put back in. I think we're doing this pattern on it. Will be on the bottom. And then that and that for the front. Killing the punch list. It is kind of hard to read some of these. Stereo, probably not gonna happen. Ooh, visors. Yeah, there's some more stuff we could do.
A wire.
All right, well, I didn't get as far as I wanted to today, but I'm gonna have to wrap it up here. So we got back seat kind of recovered with the blankets. Got the seatbelt clips are in there. You kind of have to really reach for them, but I can grab them. Alex fixed up the light for the line lock. Avery cleaned up really good. Got the exhaust ran out the back, and we got new hangers on. It's really solid. Then do a little massaging here where the panhard bar is. It's tight through here, you know. If I were to do it again, I'd probably go 2.5, space reasons. Now, before the underpowered tour, I'm gonna try to get this front seat done. Sorry I didn't film too much of this, but feeling a little sick and kind of down to the wire here. Just have like, I don't know, a week and a half left before we leave, and part of that week is me working, so.
Go in there and reveal the
Almost. So anyway, that is it for this episode. Hope to see you on the underpowered tour, Father's Day weekend. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.